We're going to the beach. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited to take you guys to the beach with me. I am going to Assateague Island. What is Assateague Island? It is a national state park that also has beach and camping grounds. And guess what they also have? Wild horses just roaming around the beach, roaming around the camping sites, the parking lots, the whole nine. I went last week and I knew I had to come back again this week. So of course, you know, I have to take my besties with me this time around. I'm gonna take you guys with me to Assateague Island. From me, because I live like close to Baltimore, it's about 2 hours. If you live like PG County, Moe County, anywhere around the inner outer loop of the Beltway on 495 that way, it's probably gonna take you about 2.5 hours. Worth the drive though, worth the drive. Maryland has so many freaking hidden gems that it's summer, like, it's summer. I just wear my bathing suit and like just some shorts, nothing crazy. We're gonna leave in a couple minutes and get going. On the ground. The car is packed and loaded. I'm gonna show you guys what I put inside. Picnic basket, cooler, extra clothes. I got some flowers in there, food, and the tent so that I'm not getting burnt up by the sun. But yeah. We are approaching the Bay Bridge or the bridge, and I'm going to show you guys. This is how you get to the other side of Maryland, like the Eastern Shore side. So flip the camera around so you can see. And this bridge is like, for some people, one of the most scariest bridges ever, especially if it's windy and it's rocking. I hate the Bay Bridge, but I'm going to show you guys. To the visitor center. First of all, I have to use the bathroom, so I'm going to use the bathroom first. Then I'm going to show you guys the inside of the visitor center, so you guys can see what everything looks like before we get to the beach. Even though I came here last week, I lost my map. So I got a new one. I showed you guys a little bit around the visitor center, and now let's head to the actual beach. $25, no tax, so it's $25 even. And this is the pass that's good for 7 days. That's what this looks like. Looking for a park. This is what I'm talking about. They're right here. So they're a little bit further away from the people. So there's that. They're on that side. We just came in the parking lot over here to get to the beach. But I just think that is so cool. They are holding up traffic. It's also a lot of people today, so I think the horses are going to be in areas that it's not too many people. Last week, because it was so cloudy and like an overcast, it wasn't as many people, so they were like really close. So I think as the sun goes down, we'll be able to see some more horses, but I just was excited to show you guys that. Y'all see the seagull? Look how cool that is. Y'all be careful out there. The tide is different today. It's like kind of all over the place. There are so many shells that washed up on the beach. So many. I made some pasta salad that can be eaten while I'm on the beach. It's easy, it's cheap, and it's cold. So it's the perfect beach snack. Period. Oh! Woo! It's so calming. The wind is blowing, and now being under the tent is really not as hot. So we're just lounging around, doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. So y'all see, I'm right up on these horses right now. They're cooled down, so they're more out. They didn't come all the way down to the beach because they're eating the grass right here, but like literally, you can, I'm walking, like you can literally walk up on these boys right here. Shit is just literally walking this way. Guys, do you see the freaking horses? Look, there's two more right here. They're just eating. They have a shell from the Oh. Let's go. I've been having such a fun time at the beach. Oh my God, it's been so surreal to the point where I'm coming back next week. Okay, I'm coming back next week. Summer has been summering for me this year. I feel like I had a good summer. I've been to the beach twice. Next week we'll make 3 times. And I'm just chilling. I had wine. We're setting up some hookah right now. So yeah, I'm chilling. And we chilling. Hookah in progress. Hookah. Oh my God. This is so cute. It looks like a crocodile. This is a velvet. I'm about to go back down there in a second. It's basically sunset and we're still on the beach. The tide has changed. It's back to how it was last week when I came. It's just gorgeous. Yay! Ooh. Y'all, look at the ocean. This is what you live for. The vacation like this. When people ask you, do you summer? You may not be at Martha's Vineyard, but yes, I summer. I summer. The tide has totally changed. Touching my stomach, like it is insane. Oh my God. They're getting higher and higher and higher and higher. Period. The further you get away from the beach, the harder or the more resistance the sand has. And if you're not in shape, like moi, okay? I haven't seen a gym since COVID. I have not seen a gym since COVID, y'all. Please don't judge. But if you're not in shape like me, honey, the way I'm breathing heavy. Yo, the sand is sanding. Y'all hear me? The sand is sanding, honey. All right, come on. Ooh, child. I'm out of breath. That is